Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Renee and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I deep condition my hair. So let's get started. Okay, so my hair is a little bit damp right now. It's freshly co-washed. So what I'm going to do is take this side pineapple down and I'm going to start sectioning my hair and apply this deep conditioner. The deep conditioner that I am using is the CurlSmith Double Cream Deep Quencher Deep Conditioner for dry, dull hair. And this deep conditioner, I've heard so many things about CurlSmith and a lot of their products. So I decided that I wanted to try the deep conditioner because I am a sucker for a good deep conditioner. Everybody keeps saying good things about it. This deep conditioner is really thick, it smells really good, and I'm actually excited to try it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my hair and see how it does. This is really thick. I'm super excited. It smells really good. And it's not overwhelming. Like, the smell is not overwhelming. It's super thick, it's really creamy, and it's gliding through really good. Like, my hair is not having any problem. But then again, of course, I detangled it in the shower. I always detangle my hair and section my hair just to make styling and other products easier to get into my hair. And this is basically what I do on a weekly basis. I make sure I deep condition my hair because my hair is super dry. And basically I just section my hair in fours. Like, I just do the front and then the back on both sides. I section it down the middle and then I section those two. So I end up with 4 sections. And after I finish each section, I still use my brush and make sure that every strand of my hair is penetrated or covered. And then sometimes I even apply more. Like, I don't really have like a specific type of way that I do this. I just make sure that my hair is drenching in deep conditioner before I apply my bonnet dryer to it. Moving to the next section. Okay, so now that both sides are done, I'm gonna put 2 plastic caps on my head, which is basically like the shower caps. The plastic, they look like this. It's just 2 old school plastic shower caps. I usually put 2. You can only use 1 if you want. Alright, so I cover that and I get my bonnet dryer. This is my dryer. This is the bonnet that's attached to it. and I apply heat. So I'm going to do that for 30 minutes because I don't deep condition for under 30 minutes. I just don't feel like under 30 minutes is going to do anything. So I'm going to deep condition for 30 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, so I deep conditioned my hair for 30 minutes and then I rinsed it out. And then I put my leave-in conditioner in my hair because every time I deep condition my hair, when I'm done, I always put some type of leave-in my hair just to make sure that I keep the moisture in my hair. And I do have to say that the CurlSmith deep conditioner, when I rinsed it out, my hair not only smelled good, but it was soft, it was bouncy. I was finger raking my hair and it just, my fingers just went through it. So that deep conditioner is a win for me. Like, I will be repurchasing that again. I will have it linked in the description box below. And I also will have my curly hair routine in the card up top, and also how I wash my hair video in the card up top as well. But I definitely recommend that CurlSmith deep conditioner. It is amazing. I love it. The only downside that I would say about it is that it's in a small container, and I'm very heavy-handed when it comes to deep conditioner, so a bigger container would be great, like a big jar or something would be great instead of like a small jar. And they do say that a little bit goes a long way, and I definitely understand that, but like I said, I'm heavy-handed with my deep conditioners. I want to make sure that all of my hair is penetrated, and I want to make sure that everything is doing what it's supposed to do on every strand of my hair, because my hair is thick. I have medium to low porosity hair, and I need to make sure that it's getting the love that it needs basically. So that would be the only downside. I believe it was $29. I got mine from Ulta, and I'm okay with the price because it does have good ingredients in it. It is thick. It does work. So I'm okay with dishing out that much because, you know, if it's gonna work and if it's a good product and it doesn't have any silicones or any of that stuff in there, then I don't mind paying a little bit extra for organic ingredients in my hair care products. So I definitely recommend it. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.